Single or double? So, widow. Single. That was your assignment to learn jokes. Harley Dave, I cannot learn English jokes. So hard. So hard to learn in English joke. I only know Tagalog jokes and Bisaya joke. But English joke, so hard. Hello, Ate Orang. Sige na, Ate Orang, i-chat mo. Sabihin mo, nag-live ako para magpunta. Para marami akong viewers. Taga-Jamaica. Hello, 7 viewers. Nana si si Romel. Ate Orang, huwag ka nang umalis. Ate Orang, naalis na. Pinuntahan sana si Romel. Ayan na. Ayan si Ate Orang. What's the joke, Dave? Harley, why did the chicken cross the road? Don't know. Ayan na. Third like. Thank you, Sir Romel. Thank you. Morning, Romel from Sir Ken. Morning daw, Sir Romel. Morning daw. Wala na naman akong signal. Ang hina na naman ang aking signal. Rewrite stars. Chat ko pa lang. Sana andyan na sis. Kaya nga, andito na si Sir Romel. From Ate Orang. Good evening, Orang. Ate Orang, pansinin mo naman si Sir Ken. Good evening na yan sa'yo kanina. Nag-double ang single na. Anyone, why did the chicken cross the road? Because they need to cross the road. Because the chicken want to go in the other side of the road. Maybe. I don't know. Hello po, Kuya Romel. Musta po? I just answered it to Ate Orang, si Sir Ken, na good morning sa iyo. Ate Orang, si Sir Ken, na good morning. You got it. Where is? To get to the other side. Ganun lang pa kasimple yun. Okay. Next joke. Sana may pa-premium ang joke para may premium ako dito. Kahit palipad lang. Pero wala eh. Okay lang. Where is Orang from Luzon? Yeah, from Luzon, Sir Ken. Hindi ko alam, from Bulacan? Bulacan baka Sir Ate Orang? Bulacan ka, Ate Orang? Dave, can you please like my live, Dave? Thank you. At Sir Ken, pa-like ng aking live, Sir Ken. Awa. Hello po, Sir Ken, from Ate Orang. Luzon si Ate Orang. Ano ka, Ate Orang? Saan ka? Bataan ka ba? Bulacan. Hindi ko alam ang lugar sa Luzon. Alam ko, Sambuanga lang. Mindanao. Hola, Orang, taga Luzon. Orang, greetings and salutations to you in the hot city of the Philippines. Ate Orang, from Laguna. Laguna pala, sorry sis. Laguna, Ate Orang, Sir Ken. How many Mexicans does it take to screw in a light bulb? How many? 5? 4? How many? Sorry, my internet, it's not good. Temperature, there, you can keep. Kakaligo ko nga lang, sobrang init. Basa pa yung buhok ko. Kasi sobrang init. It's 10:50 p.m. here. But still, my eyes is wide open.